If your home looks like this in 2026, you're officially dated. The design world just flipped everything. Everything we were told was timeless is now screaming 10 years ago. Here are the 7 trends that are officially dead and what the pros are doing instead. Let's start with the biggest offender: gray walls, gray floors, gray sofas. For 15 years, this was the safe choice, the neutral choice. It's over. Designers are calling this aesthetic fatigue. People are tired of working into rooms that feel like an office building. Gray feels cold, cynical, like you're just in a waiting list, like you're waiting for a dentist appointment. The fix: swap gray for one taupe or mushroom. These colors have depth, they, they shift with the light, they feel like a hug, not like a waiting room. And if you have gray floors, layer warm rugs over them. You don't have to rip everything off, just warm them up. The next one is going to hurt a lot of people, and it's the all white kitchen, which was supposed to be timeless, clean, gallery like. But here's what actually happened: it looks sterile, it shows every fingerprint. Even after 10 years of seeing it in every renovation show, it now screams basic. The 2026 kitchen has warmth, deep olive, green cabinets, walnut wood islands, even black cabinets with brass hardware. Here's a tip: if you have a white cabinet, don't panic. Swap your hardware to unlacquered brass. It develops patina over time. Add a wood cutting board, a small table lamp on the counter, and suddenly your white kitchen feels more intentional, not incomplete. Okay, here's another controversial one: painting one wall in a bold color and leaving the rest white. That's what we did in 2015, but it now looks disjointed, non-committal, like you run out of paint. The 2026 technique is called color drenching. You paint everything: wall, ceiling, trim, doors the exact same color. It sounds crazy, but it works. The corners disappear, the rooms feel like a cocoon, and your furniture actually pops because it's not fighting with high contrast white trim. Trending colors for drenching: deep olive, burgundy, warm terracotta. If your room set came with a box with matching nightstands, a bed frame. If your bedroom set came with a box matching nightstand, bed frame, and dresser, this is for you. Matching sets look predictable, catalog like a hotel room trying to be inoffensive. Everyone in 2016, if your bedroom set came in a box with matching nightstand, a bed frame, and a dresser, one vintage nightstand, one modern one, a bed frame that doesn't match the dresser. This isn't about spending more money, it's about mixing. Hit one state sale. Find one piece with history. Your room will instantly look like it belongs to a real person instead of a Wayfair rendering. Now, a quick question: are you guilty of any of this so far? Drop a number in the comments. I'm curious to see which one is the most common. Alright, let's go to the next one. Chrome was the 90s. Matte black was the 2010s. In 2026, both of them feel sterile, static, like they're trying too hard to be modern. The new finishes are living finishes: unlacquered brass, oiled raw bronze, aged nickel. These metals develop patina over time. They show the life of your home. They get better with age instead of looking fingerprint smuggled. And here's the real secret: you don't have to replace everything. Start with the light fixtures. Start with the light fixtures. Start with the light fixtures and cabinet posts. Those two swaps feel like the change of, you know the type, 9 identical frames. Perfectly. Not like you bought a frame kit from Target. The alternative: skip the wall entirely. One massive piece, floor to ceiling, has way more impact than 15 tiny frames fighting for attention. Okay, the next one is a spicy one. Boucle. That nobly looped fabric was everywhere. The curved sofas, the accent chairs, every influencer's living room, and because of it, it was everywhere. It's now saturated. You see boucle in 2026, it reads like fast furniture, like you brought the trend instead of building a style. The replacement? Healthy velvets, heavy linens, mohair. These fabrics have depth. They interact with light. They feel luxurious. They don't scream 2022. If you already own a boucle piece, don't throw it away. Just don't add more. Balance it with leather, wood, and other textures so it doesn't dominate. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's the thing all of these trends have in common. They're about looking good on a photo. Performative. Perfect. 2026 is about how a space feels. Can you sink into it? Does it hold you? Does it have a texture, warmth, story? If your home was designed for Instagram, it's time to redesign it for you. If you want to go deeper, I made a video extract with design principles that make homes look expensive. The link is on the script. Drop a comment telling me which trend you're guilty of. I read every single one. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.